I'm using cod fillets for this recipe. All you need to do is cut them into 1-inch slices, just like this. For flavor, I'm coming with that straight drop rub. Get it from UncleDibbz.com. After you season your fish, now it's time to season that flour. Give that a good mix, and then we're gonna come with a can of cold Mexican beer. Mix well until it looks like a pancake batter. Get your oil to about 350 to 375. Go ahead and fry your fish for about 4 or 5 minutes, or until it's golden brown like this. Now it's time to get those veggies together, warm up those tortillas, and then build your taco. I'm coming with that sauce first, then the veggies, and then I'm throwing that fish. Top with some more of that green sauce, and then don't forget the fresh lime juice, y'all.
You know, I gotta put a little hot sauce on mine. You know what I mean? That's good salty.